Sony BRAVIA XR95K OLED TV, bringing you the ultimate viewing experience, an overwhelming sense of immersion. The BRAVIA XR95K OLED TV offers a powerful movie theater-like viewing experience with its ultra-large 83-inch screen and 4K resolution. The unique XR cognitive processor understands human vision and hearing and reproduces realistic images and sounds. You can feel as if you have stepped into the movie. Amazing image quality. The XR cognitive processor faithfully reproduces the depth, texture, and color of images, resulting in stunningly realistic images. In addition, with Google TV installed, you can easily enjoy various video distribution services. Best sound quality. BRAVIA XR95K OLED TV supports Dolby Vision, trademark HDR, and Dolby Atmos registered, allowing you to experience immersive video and audio. Additionally, Acoustic Surface Audio Plus trademark technology allows you to experience the sensation of hearing sound from across the entire screen. Sophisticated design. The BRAVIA XR95K OLED TV also has a beautifully finished back and can be wall-mounted. This is the perfect piece for your living room interior. The BRAVIA XR95K OLED TV is recommended for those looking for the ultimate viewing experience.